Hello, and welcome to Learning with Sarah. I'm Sarah, and in today's episode, we'll talk about the power of listening, why it's important, how it helps us grow, and how we can become better listeners. At the end, I'll also explain some useful English words from today's episode. Let's begin. Listening is more than just hearing sounds. It means paying attention, understanding, and showing that you care. Good listening helps in school, at work, and in relationships. When you listen well, people trust you more. They feel respected, and communication becomes easier. Have you ever talked to someone who didn't really listen? Maybe they looked at their phone, or they didn't respond. It feels bad, right? But when someone truly listens to you, you feel valued. Listening is a gift we give to others. Listening is also a powerful way to learn. In class, if you listen carefully, you understand better. If you're learning a language like English, listening every day helps you learn faster. You start to hear how words sound, how sentences are made, and how people talk in real life. To be a better listener, you can do a few simple things. First, look at the person speaking. This shows you are focused. Next, don't interrupt. Let the person finish their thought. Then ask questions or say short replies like, "I understand," or "That's interesting." These little actions show you care. Listening is important at work too. Imagine you work in a team. If you don't listen, mistakes can happen. But if you do listen, the team works better. Ideas are shared, problems are solved, and everyone feels respected. Listening makes work more peaceful and more productive. In families and friendships, listening builds trust. If someone is sad or upset, just listening to them can help a lot. You don't need to fix everything. Just be there, be quiet, and listen. Sometimes being a good listener is more helpful than giving advice. There are also different types of listening. Sometimes we listen for fun, like when we hear music or a podcast. Other times we listen for information, like during a class or meeting. And sometimes we listen with emotion, like when a friend shares a personal story. All of these are important. So today, try this. Listen more than you speak. Be present. Don't just hear, really listen. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Now let's go over some useful words from today's episode. The first word is listen. It means to pay attention to sounds or someone speaking. Example, I listen to music every morning. The next word is attention. It means focus or care. Example, please give your full attention to the speaker. The following word is trust. It means to believe someone is honest or reliable. Example, I trust my best friend with my secrets. Another word is interrupt. This means to stop someone while they are speaking. Example, it's rude to interrupt during a conversation. And the last word is communication. It means sharing ideas, feelings, or information. Example, good communication helps people work better together. Try to use these words when speaking or writing. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Thanks for listening to Learning with Sarah. Remember, listening is a powerful skill. Practice it every day and you'll grow in your language and your life. See you next time.